Let's face it, online learning for higher education can be a bit limiting. Between staying on track with your course, dealing with a sense of isolation, and juggling multiple platforms, it's very easy to feel uninspired and overwhelmed. Remember the joys of learning in college? The excitement of being surrounded by your peers who shared your passion of knowledge, and the endless discussions with your professors who challenged you to think critically and creatively? Who says these little joys cannot be integrated in online learning? Drum roll, please. Presenting Lumen, a learning platform designed exclusively for online learners like you. Let's get straight into it. Lumen is designed to be user-friendly, intuitive, and adaptive, so you can focus only on learning and not navigating complicated systems. For example, let's take a look at the Learner dashboard. Here you will see the entire summary of your learning journey. Let's pick accounting today. Oh wow, I've progressed quite a bit in this course. Look, I even have a shiny platinum trophy. Next up, the content area. This is where you will find all the resources, such as course reading materials, videos, quizzes, and assignments. Impressive, right? You know what's even more impressive? Lumen allows you to make your very own curated playlist of course material. So learning becomes more organized and as enjoyable as listening to your favorite playlist. We truly believe learning happens best when you have an interactive environment, when you can have conversations with your peers and faculty. With Lumen, we offer live classroom sessions where you can attend the sessions and get real-time support from subject matter experts. But life can be busy a lot of times. Missing classes is out of the question, which is why we have recorded sessions. Resume or rewind with our recorded sessions. Stay updated on all the new topics, even when you miss out on a class. Hey, did you say AI and GPT? Well, let me introduce you to Lumen AI. We understand that you need a little extra help with learning, so we developed an AI-enabled chatbot, Lumen AI, trained to understand all your questions and provide correct answers. While learning, if you find it challenging to comprehend any concept, just hit Explain with Lumen AI and it will break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand. Or you can just hit Quiz Me with Lumen AI to test your knowledge and reinforce your learning. Now, let's talk about the budding geeks out there. With our integrated virtual labs, when encountering errors, just click Compile with Lumen AI or Debug with Lumen AI, and it will guide you through the process, explaining why and where those pesky errors happen. No more frantic searches for error meanings. And if you tend to forget or need a little motivation to go on, worry not. Our Lumen AI Nudge Engine and mobile widgets send you reminders about all your pending tasks for the day, so you never miss an assignment or fall behind in your studies. Doubts? Cleared. Questions? Answered. Discussions? Anytime. With Lumen, learning is a breeze, and confusion becomes a thing of the past. And because Lumen is tailored for your needs, learning becomes super flexible, which means you can choose it all. A learning style, pace, and a schedule that works best for you. Are you worried about traveling or experiencing network issues while using Lumen? Don't even sweat it. Lumen is designed to work in low network areas and offers an option to download and watch content offline, anytime, anywhere. As we know, most of our learners like learning on the go, and that's why we have a mobile app. An app for iOS, Android, and your tablet. Because why limit your learning? Now, if you're somebody who enjoys keeping notes organized, you'll fall in love with our All Notes feature. It allows you to take notes during specific points of your class. Plus, our auto-generated transcripts are interactive, making it easy to follow along with the content. By the way, we totally gamified your learning experience. Points for completing tasks, a leaderboard to keep you motivated, and a badge to show off your achievements. Also, you can rest easy knowing your data is completely encrypted with Lumen. Whether it's a mass webinar, joint event, or an exam, Lumen can accommodate thousands of learners at the same time and keep their information safe and secured. Now, coming to the most wonderful part. At Lumen, we believe that education should be accessible to everyone. That's why we are proud to offer inclusive features like audio-based content for visually impaired learners and automated video transcripts for hearing impaired learners. Yes, we know you've been eagerly waiting for your certificate, and we are happy to announce that it's finally here. Your certifications are 100% authentic, fraud proof, trustworthy, and valuable. So your future employer or college can verify its credibility. So go ahead and celebrate. You've earned it. You see, with Lumen, you truly have everything you need to succeed in your educational pursuits. Your success is our top priority. We can't wait to see where it takes you. So get excited to start your journey with Lumen.